In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a dynamic dropdown to a Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. To create a new form, click plus create, choose form, select start from scratch and then choose classic form. If you already have a form, simply open it and click edit form. In the form builder, click add element from the left panel, then open the widgets tab. Use the search bar to search for dynamic dropdown and click the widget to add it to your form. Once the widget is added, click on it to open its settings in the right panel. Open the values section and enter the drop-down options you want to use. You can organize the values into parent and child options so the available choices update automatically based on the user's previous selection. After configuring your drop-down values, click Update to save the widget settings. To make sure everything works correctly, click Preview and test the drop-down by selecting different parent options to see the available choices update dynamically. When you're happy with the results, click Publish to save your form and make it ready to share. That's how to add a dynamic drop-down to a Jotform. Thanks for watching.